Hey guys, please excuse how I'm looking. I am sick at the moment, but I needed to get these videos done. So we're pushing through. We're having a no makeup day. My voice is a bit off. But anyway, today I wanted to share with you this super cute PR parcel from Colourpop. So first things first, this is a little card that came with it and it said a special delivery. So cute. It says, "Hey bestie, happy holidays. We wanted to thank you for such an amazing year together. We're so happy you're part of the Colourpop fam. To spread some holiday cheer, we're sending over some of our iconic fan faves, plus everyday essentials, so you can stay cozy and be ready for the new year. We hope you enjoy this holiday season with your loved ones and us. XOXO Colourpop." I just think that's so sweet. The fact that this isn't like a new launch or anything, but just that they've sent over some stuff. Like, I just think it's like a little Christmas present and it's really sweet. The first thing that we have in here is this hat, and like, I love stuff like this. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? I'm not really a hat girly. Like, I don't think it really suits me. Obviously I've got my hair up, but that is just so cute, and I'm going to display that in my room and I'm going to cherish it for the rest of my life. Then they also sent over some socks, which is so cute. They just say Colourpop on them. They actually look super comfy. Oh, they feel really nice. They're real like thick. How cute are they? Little Colourpop socks. So yeah, I just think that, like, it's just so sweet and just so thoughtful, and I just love stuff like that from brands, because it's just like, you know, one day I'm going to be showing my kids like that and like telling them about brands that used to send me things and stuff like that. So I think it's just, yeah, really exciting. Next thing that we have in here is the Luxe Lip Oil in Skinny Dip. Looks like this. So we've just got like a selection of like a couple of products, I think. Cute. So yeah, that is our first little product. A Luxe Lip Oil, super pretty. Looks real nice. I do like the Colourpop lip oils. I think they're very nice. Then we have a lippy pencil in BFF. Looks like that. I feel like they've gone for very like neutral shades. That's so stunning. I feel like I've already got this one. I'll have to double check, because I know that like I got a whole bundle of lip pencils from Colourpop one time. So yeah, I've got those two. And we have something wrapped up here. What is this? Oh, cute. We have a little pressed powder blush in Flamingo, and it is this beautiful, like, I was going to say like baby pink or bright pink. I don't know. It's kind of like a bright baby pink. It's so pretty. Real nice. I don't think, unfortunately, it's my colour. I just don't think it'd suit me, but it's really cute. Cute. We have a Super Shock shadow in Ritz. This is real pretty. I feel like I've already got this as well. I feel like I might, once again, I'll have to go through my collection and see. But I love the Colourpop Super Shock shadows. They're stunning. How pretty is that shade? I wish I could swatch it, but yeah, I'm really worried that I've already got it. So super cute. And then we've got one last thing in here. Oh, cute. It's a Going Coconuts palette. I do already have this one. Let me show you mine. Mine is looking a little bit worse for wear, I'm not gonna lie. This is my Going Coconuts palette. It's very well loved. And one of the shadows has broken. But yeah, this was all the rage. I can't remember if it was earlier this year or like last year, but whenever it came out, it was a very popular palette. So yeah, that is really sweet. I just think it's really nice that they've just sent over a cute, like a couple like little like fan favourites. I just think that's really sweet. And it's exciting that I've got some double ups, because that means that they can go in giveaways for you. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Sorry that I look like this, but yeah, had to get these videos out for you. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.